Hello, friends around the world. Welcome to Class Korea, where we make learning Korean as easy as saying hello. Today, we're going to learn 3 different ways to greet someone in Korean. Whether it's a friend, a neighbor, or someone you deeply respect, we've got you covered. You'll master how to say hello in Korean properly. Let's get started. When you're with friends, you want to keep it cool and casual, right? In Korean, you'd say,
안녕,
this is like our hey or hi. It's short, sweet, and perfect for those laid-back moments. 안녕 actually means peace or well-being, and it's a lovely way to wish someone well. Try saying it.
안녕, 안녕, 안녕.
Now, it's your turn. Give it a go. Now, what if you're meeting someone new, a senior, an older person, or just want to be polite? You'd use
안녕하세요,
this is the equivalent of hello or how are you in English. It's polite without being too stuffy. Here,
하세요,
it's from the verb which means to do, and when you add it, it's like saying please do. This is a kind way of asking about someone's well-being. Let's practice together.
안녕하세요, 안녕하세요, 안녕하세요.
Your turn. Sometimes, you need to give your full respect, like when you're at a formal event or meeting someone very important. It's the most formal way to say hello, and it's like saying, good day, ladies and gentlemen, or I'm honored to meet you.
안녕하십니까?
Here
하십니까?
is a formal question for meaning are you doing? This shows the highest level of respect. It's a bit of a mouthful, but don't worry, I'll help you out. Let's say it together as we bow.
안녕하십니까? 안녕하십니까?
Now, you try. You all did wonderfully. Now you know how to say hello in Korean in a way that fits every situation. Remember, language is more than just words, it's about connection and respect. So go ahead, use these greetings to make a new friend. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson.
안녕.